Hello, class. I hope you have taken off flying with both feet. Once again, I welcome you to Summer A 2024. We stopped at the story of Jesus, the figure generally believed to have founded Christianity. We went through his activities and stopped at his death and resurrection, which Christians believe is the core of their religion. Now we are going to get into the book of the New Testament called Acts of the Apostles. If you may remember, Jesus had some core followers who were called apostles, and while some were called his disciples. We will get into the stories of those in the category of apostles and disciples, which was codified in the book we know as Acts of the Apostles. Acts of the Apostles actually mean activities of the apostles. After the death of Jesus, his followers initially scattered, but they did not stop disseminating that information for which he was known and killed, but with modifications in this case, because they believed that he was the Messiah that was expected, who had come to bring redemption to his people. They believed that, even though they also believed that he had died, resurrected, and gone up to heaven. So they went about still preaching the same message. Something happened at that very early stage after his death. There was a figure called Stephen, who was one of the disciples, one of those that believed in Jesus. He said something. Remember, we are dealing with a theological issue in this case, but we are trying to look at it as scholars, so we would bring in the necessary caveats. When we tell these stories, we are not telling them as if we believe that they are true or false, but just take it that we are dealing with stories we received in scripture. So, Stephen said the heavens opened and he saw Jesus sitting at the right hand of God. This was sacrilegious to the people who heard him, and they stoned him to death. So, this was something that we will refer to not very soon after. One of the people that saw what happened was a figure called Saul, and he approved of the killing. He approved of it. In fact, he was holding the clothes of those who were doing the killing. We will continue in part 2 of this story of the Acts. Thank you.